Agricultural Technology Application Research Institute ATARI Umyam kabadon hakajing penya jaka Indian Council for Agricultural Research. Kalarakhe haka arpu sau terek jeliu ya kajing dap shi posnam hakikam syakri ban kershan bat ya rap kipat nongrep jangka Megalia bat ya kathan lammi ni barokaway. Ka Dr. Amrin Lengdo Menteri Agriculture ka Jela kalalong ka kongsan hakani kasni rakhe dap shi posnam ka ATARI. Kakong Amrin kalayaro ekijing tre jong kanika institute kabala pasat jing hikai shakinong rep jong kanika than katkum ka jinglong bat jing don kam jong ki jaka rep ha ki jela ba pher ha kanika jingalang rakhe kemen ha kanika sngi lasam ru eki busket shakitnat ai jing hikai krishi vigyan kendra kvk ki badon ha ki district ba pher jong kanika than lammi ni kari India. Kakong Amrin kala kentu ki pat nong rep ban shem kabu bat bantur sajan joki kvk ban penroy bat penjana ya karep karyang hagi jaka jungki khnang ba ka jing penmi jing bam kanong ka bawan ra jing mantoy bat ka bakentiu ya ka yo ka kot jongki
Atari Umyam. It is indeed a great privilege for me to be sharing this momentous occasion with all the scientists, the farmers who are making a difference in farming practices, not just in this country, but particularly in the northeastern region. This significant occasion marks its long years of dedicated services in disseminating advanced agricultural technology, fostering farm innovations, and strengthening the skill and knowledge of the farming community of the region, and establishing a long and a strong extension ecosystem in the northeastern region in general in this country. This Foundation Day not only serves as a celebration of the ICAR Atari's journey and achievements, but also provides an opportunity to engage with its key stakeholders, visionary partners, and mentors who have contributed to its mission of improving agricultural productivity and sustainability through advanced technological interventions. I came to know that ICAR Agricultural Technology Application Research Institution is an important research organization amongst the 113 research institutions under the National Agriculture Research Education and Extension System of the ICAR, which is primarily responsible for technology application research for sustainable technology adoption by the farming community and is instrumental in transforming the agricultural landscape of the country through technology application research in the farmers' field through its network of KVKs. In fact, the KVKs in the northeastern hill region under the technical guidance of ICAR Atari Zone 7 Umyam Meghalaya have created a significant impact on the hill agriculture through assessment, refinement of technologies suitable for the specific micro-agroclimatic situations, followed by frontline demonstrations of proven technologies and capacity building program and other extension activities performed by its network of 43 district level KVKs across the 5 states in our region. I wish all these KVKs in the 5 states the very best, and I am confident that due to the relentless efforts of the parent department, the hill agriculture will continue to witness a lot of transformations, resulting in the enhancement of income levels and enterprising abilities of our own farmers. I acknowledge that the KVKs are the unique institutional interventions in India at micro level, which are considered as a strong frontline extension mechanism that transform the status of the country from food deficit to food surplus amidst the wide diversity and risk-prone agricultural scenario of this country.
KVK West Garoils. From Mizoram, KVK Aizawl. From Mizoram, KVK Aizawl, please. Ready? Shri Teng Singh Sangma. Next, from Nagaland, Shripati Daujepo from Longlang district. Please come on stage, ma'am. Agriculture and climate resilient agriculture. Next, from Tripura state, Shri Amar Chand Sarkar.